Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video on Corel Draw for the beginner. Over the last several days, I had quite a few people ask me where to start, and so I've started some beginning. So we've talked about toolbars, we've talked about the toolbox mainly. Now we're going to talk about the menu and the standard toolbar, which are these. This is your menu, this is your standard. There's a lot of repetition in there, and we're also going to talk about hotkeys. So if you go to File, you can open, you can save. Well, you can do the same thing. This is New, this is Open, this is Save, this is Print. There's also all these in there. So with that said, there's other ones like Edit. There's an Undo. Well, the Undo is right here in your standard toolbar. So just you can highlight over this and see some things. Now, a big help to beginners is the help menu, and you can click on hints. And when you pick the rectangle tool, it's gonna bring up hints for your rectangle and tell you about it. Holding down the controls to draw a square. Now we're gonna talk about hotkeys real quick. They're real important. They're gonna help you as you learn Corel. There's probably 100 hotkeys already in Corel Draw. Some of them are always listed. Control S is save. Control Shift S is save as. Import is Control I. The important ones are like group. They're not highlighted right now. We'll select two or more, and we'll go to Object and Group, and Control G is to group those things. So we're going to go Control G. Now that is one group. Now we're going to go to Object and Group, and you can see that Group is not highlighted, but Ungrouped is. So you can go Control U or just click on it. And now these are back to separate deals. There's a lot of shortcuts, keys, and a lot of these things. Contours, Control F9. You can't learn them all. But if you could learn the Control G, and on the other ones, Control D for duplicate, there's a lot to be learned with your control key. You know, like copy and paste, Control C to copy it, Control V to paste it. So let's just do that. Let's click on that hotkey, Control C for copy. Well, I don't ever use it. Yeah, Control C, and then Control V to paste it. So learn your hotkeys. Then later on, you can learn how to add hotkeys. Like I've got one that I love, I use all the time. When I draw a plaque, I've got a hotkey called Q that puts everything to the top left corner. Let me take all that away. If you're working on a plaque, you're going to engrave it top left corner. Well, I made a hotkey how to get it there, exactly in the corner. So learn your hotkeys and have fun with Corel. A lot of people think Corel is a complicated system, but everything is right here in front of you. When you're especially when you're running a laser job that might take 15 minutes, go through here and look at different things. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for